world's
biggest mall.
Yeah.
As per we know, which is?
It's Lulu Mall.
Lulu Mall. So we are going to explore Lulu Mall. So what do you think it's inside, bro?
Let's see. We'll explore it and we'll show to the subscribers and all the public right now.
Keep watching. Let's hear. So this is where we are getting in.
There's the mall, bro.
He's looking for the mall. So we have lost the mall.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
What do you guys
Can
think?
we go in this outfit? So, okay, guys, we are inside the mall right now. I don't know why my hairs are looking. My God, bro, what's going on, bro? There
What
are
is-
people around here.
Yo, everybody. Why doesn't eggs tell joke? Because they might crack up.
Oh, so crazy, bro.
There's one tiger man here.
Tiger
So
man.
Sachin is going to kiss the man now. Now Sachin is going to kiss that tiger.
What the
Okay.
hell? Why would I?
You need to kiss that guy.
He's calling you, bro.
Bro,
he's
go
calling
kiss.
for hug,
Bro, give him a kiss. Go give him a kiss. He likes you. I'll record that. You give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Wait. Kiss, bro. Give him a kiss. Kiss, bro. 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 You need to give a kiss, bro. No. Kiss, kiss, bro. Kiss, bro. Come on. Kiss it, bro. Kiss it. Serious, bro. Finally made it.
What the hell, bro? That's so awkward.
Oh shit. So now Sachin is going to kiss live girls now.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
What the hell? God, no. Fuck.
Okay, now Sachin is going to kiss other men over here, okay?
Hey, what the fuck? No, nah.
So he's not going to do it, okay? Do you guys want Ziva Mil Airgrass? So it's here, you guys can watch.
Okay, guys, we are going to Zudio.
Yeah, we're going to Zudio.
Yeah, Zudio.
Bro, why did the banker break up with his girlfriend?
Banker.
Break up with his girlfriend. Why did the banker break up with his girlfriend? Because he lost interest. After Sachin kissing that doll, right, they threw us out. Actually, after me telling him that he's gonna go kiss a girl, and he went to try.
Want us to make a video
No.
inside the mall.
The point is, I challenged him to go kiss a girl, and he was ready. He was too to go kiss a girl, and they found it and they throw us out.
He
Actually.
fucking forced me to fucking kiss a doll.
As they throw us out from the Lulu Mall because of he trying to kiss a doll. So right now we don't have an option. So we have come to the tea shop, which is a Malnad Cafe. Yeah.
As
So
it's raining right now, it's a better option to go to Malnad Cafe.
वाह क्या सीन है.
because you get best teas. What are the teas you get, bro?
We'll check. Come.
So we're gonna see that. So these are the teas we get. What is cherry tea, chocolate tea, banana tea, mango tea.
I'm taking a cherry tea, bro.
I'm taking ragi malt.
Ragi malt.
Ooty kashaya, bro. You take Ooty kashaya. Kashaya, bro.
Bro, my throat is good, bro. My throat
I will
is good
spoil it.
enough.
I will spoil it.
He forced me to kiss a doll. Dude,
And I'm forcing him to drink a
nonsense,
kashaya
bro.
tea. Sorry, Ooty kashaya. So right now they're milking. They're doing a
Milky.
milking.
Milky
They're
bar.
milking.
Milking.
So Sachin is having a cherry tea.
So damn hot.
Which girl's cherry is that, bro?
खत्म. बाय बाय. टाटा.
It's normal fruit cherry.
Fruit cherry, oh.
Yeah.
So this is sugarless hot chocolate because sugar is very bad for
He
us.
got diabetes and sugar, so
I have no diabetes. I'm very healthy. Yes.
oh, this
Hot chocolate with coffee mixed in. Okay, I have one more question. If you had to choose between tea or your phone for your rest of your life, what could you choose?
I will obviously choose my phone, bro. What the hell?
Phone?
Yeah, my phone.
Can I see your phone? What is there
yeah,
in that?
what? There is nothing, bro. What do you want to see?
Let me see your Instagram. Let me see your
For
Google
what?
search history.
Hey, no,
I
why?
want to see that.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ.
Why, bro? Why?
I want to see what is the darkest truth inside.
Darkest truth.
Yeah. I want to know what is inside that.
There is nothing. No, just all about trading stuff. Trading.
Bro, you know, I have seen a video in Reels, okay? Basically, a trader. You are a trader, right?
Yeah.
I think you also do this. He wakes up, sit in front of a PC, he watches stats and go back to sleep, okay, by jerking off. You do that now?
Never.
Actually, he does that.
Never,
I've
bro.
seen every video in Reels, every trader does that.
Never.
He's gonna do that. I wanna see.
Never.
Okay, give me your phone, let me see that.
What? There is nothing in my
I
phone.
want to see that. Okay, as a trading view, there's a chart. So this is the charts what he's looking, which is good.
See, that's shots.
Yeah, he's playing chess,
Sometimes.
and he wants to go to Kish Island. What?
Yeah, boy.
What is Kish Island? Kish Island.
bro. That's
Kish Island. Kish Island. He wants to go.
yeah,
He wants to go to Iran. Why you want to go to? Do you have money,
That's very. Look,
bro?
You don't know about Kish Island, bro.
Bro, for paying a tea, we borrowed 100 rupees from Slice, and we are planning to go to Kish Island, which is in Iran. We actually borrowed money from Slice, okay, and he is planning to go to Kish Island. 20 rupees we were not able to afford. We are planning to go to Kish Island.
Ajeeb birthday, you can't do.
Actually, whatever we say, it's not really true. He has a lot of dreams also to do. So basically, we just for fun and to make you entertaining.
You know how? He's crushing my dreams like this. Teacup like this. See, he's crushing it like
This is only for fun and entertaining. No, what is that? No grudge, no irritation. We both are friends. Yeah, no
Now,
grudge.
why are you getting grudge with someone else?
Where do we eat in Kish Island? Restaurants. He's already ready to go. So you guys also try this tea. It's in Bangalore. Which place is this, bro? Rajajinagar. So near to our house only. It's like 20
Close
minutes.
only.
While going, we'll show you one place. It's right opposite to that. If you guys can come. I think there are a lot of Malnad teas. Everywhere it's open, no?
Yeah, but this I can see that it tastes very good here. So
Yeah, good taste. So you have bun gulkan jam also here.
150 रुपया देगा.
yeah, it's good actually.
So right now, I think it's a weirdest combination to try tatinung after tea.
Tartining.
Tartining,
What
no.
is tartining?
So this is called as tatinung. I don't know what you call in English, but we are telling in Kannada. What do you call in English, bro?
I don't know. That's
Coconut water. Oh.
अरे झूठ बोल रहा है.
How can you compare this with coconut water, bro?
because it also grows in the trees like a coconut.
Oh, okay.
like a coconut
Even
tree,
apple grows in trees that will become
but it doesn't have a water.
water inside. Oh.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
We are actually uneducated brutes. So we don't know what you call this.
Uneducated
If you guys know,
Bro, I
please
studied-
don't. Bro, even I'm a
MBA, bro.
BCom graduate. I'm a BBA graduate.
Double
bro.
graduate MBA.
I'm a
bro.
BBA graduate, but still we don't know what is this.
What the fuck?
But we have
It's
that
a
is
fruit
Indian
name,
education.
bro. It's a fruit.
This is Indian education.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it.
So explaining from where did we come here?
So we are gonna try this. Let's see how does it taste.
So yeah, we're going this. What do you know? We don't know the name. We are educated brutes, but still we don't know the name of this. What the fuck? Bro, you can't eat this like that. You have to remove this and you have to eat. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. He took one shot, bro. You have to remove all this, bro. How will you eat without removing this?
No, bro. We can eat like that. But you need to put it to the
Put it to where, bro? Where should I put it in?
gulp it, bro. Gulp it. Yeah.
It's not supposed to be how you eat. You need to remove the outer part. Like this.
2 hours later.
So we are removing the
Outer layer
dress of the fruit. We are
Dress
removing,
of the fruit.
Yeah. How do you remove
This
it?
is the skin of a fruit, bro.
Yeah.
It's not a dress, bro.
Thanks. Love you.
This is how you remove, and this is how the jelly looks. Yeah, guys.
I think this is one of my favorite food, but I don't know the name of this. Yeah, this is how it looks.
It doesn't taste good, bro. Back in the days when I ate this when I was kid, it was tasty.
Sweeter.
Yeah, and it was sweeter. Now I don't think so. It's sweet
They're not sweet.
because they have injected something and all
Chemicals.
chemicals.
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
We exactly don't know. But okay. So the Tati Nung is good.
Tati Nunga.
Yeah, it's Nung or Ning or Punk.
Ning.
Punk.
Bro, we came to a place, it's called Ambedkar Grounds.
So basically
No.
people are jogging here.
Jogging. I don't see any people. Show them, bro, show them. I don't see any people jogging here. They're just walking like.
Yeah. See, everybody is uncles here, but there are no beautiful girls as Uchar and Sachin. Sachin
everybody-
only likes
Then
girls.
what about we are uncles?
No, I'm telling about you. Sachin only likes girls. He doesn't want to watch
That's
aunties
nonsense,
or
bro.
women.
No,
and
no,
all.
no. I'm
Yeah,
like, I don't.
that's what I'm saying. You don't like
Girls.
older people,
I don't like,
aunties and grandma.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं
This is what it looks exactly is. It's called as Ambedkar
Let's show the
Stadium.
skating.
We'll take you to one of the good spots in Ambedkar Stadium. So let's go. It was there actually.
No. Remember that we used to skate here. The skateboard we bought.
The
You have
skateboard.
that video?
I have.
Oh shit, that was crazy, bro.
We used to fall here.
Fall here?
We used to fall, whatever.
We used to skate here.
Bro, do you remember when we were like this kind of kids? Okay, we used to cry to our parents to buy skates.
Ah, yeah, but you don't know, bro. Me and other friend is called Suraj. We bought a skating. You know, we bought at that time when we were in 8th or 9th
You guys used to rob from your uncles. These guys used to rob from his uncle's shops and they used to buy cricket bats, skates and everything.
I
पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ IAS बनो और देश को संभालो
think you need to cut the video, bro. You need to cut the video, bro. But
We're ending the vlog at Ambedkar ground.
yeah,
So-
because I don't have time, bro.
You need to go to work in the morning. You works in the morning. I'm the only person who is jobless, don't even have money, broke, everything. So if you give a subscribe button, it will help us to make upcoming videos, and we keep improving. You guys let us know where should we improve, what should we improve, and stuff. So keep watching, and until next time, bye bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.